Plant FAQs. Begonia luzonensis. Begonia luzonensis, a guide to this enchanting miniature begonia. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the captivating Begonia luzonensis. This petite charmer has stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its delicate beauty and unique characteristics make it a wonderful addition to any collection. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia luzonensis? Begonia luzonensis is a small-leaved, creeping begonia native to the island of Luzon in the Philippines. It boasts stunning, silvery green leaves with captivating olive-green veins that weave across the surface. The leaf edges are adorned with a fringe of short hairs, adding a touch of textural intrigue. The underside of the leaves reveals a pale reddish-green hue, further enhancing its visual appeal. Is Begonia luzonensis easy to care for? Begonia luzonensis thrives in moderate, indirect light. Harsh sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves, so finding a well-lit spot away from direct sunbeams is key. It prefers consistently moist soil, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Opt for well-draining potting mix to ensure proper drainage. When it comes to humidity, Begonia luzonensis flourishes in a humid environment. If your home lacks humidity, consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Misting the plant occasionally can also be beneficial. How big does Begonia luzonensis get? Begonia luzonensis is a compact plant, making it ideal for terrariums or small pots. It typically grows to a height of 4 to 6 inches and spreads slowly, forming a charming ground cover. Its slow-growing nature makes it a low-maintenance choice for busy plant parents. Does Begonia luzonensis flower? Begonia luzonensis is a prolific bloomer, producing small white flowers throughout the year. While the flowers themselves may be subtle, they add a touch of elegance to the overall appearance of the plant. What are some common pests and diseases to watch out for? Begonia luzonensis is generally resistant to pests and diseases when cared for properly. However, it's still wise to keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant and treat any infestations promptly with organic methods or insecticidal soap. Overwatering can also lead to fungal diseases, so ensuring proper drainage and watering practices is crucial. Can Begonia luzonensis be propagated? Absolutely. Begonia luzonensis can be propagated easily through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with a few leaves and plant it in a pot filled with moist, well-draining potting mix. Maintain consistent moisture and provide indirect light. With proper care, roots should develop within a few weeks. Begonia luzonensis versus other compact begonias. Several other begonia varieties share the compact size and charm of Begonia luzonensis. Here's a quick comparison. Begonia brevipilosa. This begonia boasts fuzzy, heart-shaped leaves with a similar silvery green hue. It requires similar care to Begonia luzonensis, but may be slightly more sensitive to overwatering. Begonia venusta. This begonia features small, glossy, and slightly ruffled leaves with a captivating marbled pattern. It thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys slightly drier conditions than Begonia luzonensis. Begonia erythrophila gingersnap. This begonia showcases stunning reddish-brown, heart-shaped leaves with prominent veins. It prefers slightly more light than Begonia luzonensis and can tolerate drier conditions. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the light and humidity conditions in your home. Where can I buy Begonia luzonensis? Begonia luzonensis might not be readily available at your local garden center. However, you can often find it at online plant retailers specializing in rare and unusual varieties. Remember, when buying plants online, it's crucial to choose reputable sellers who offer healthy plants and proper packaging to prevent damage during shipping. Conclusion: Begonia luzonensis is a captivating miniature begonia that offers a delightful combination of beauty and ease of care. Its small size makes it ideal for terrariums or adding a delicate touch to your indoor space. With its unique foliage, consistent blooms, and manageable size, Begonia luzonensis is sure to become a treasured addition to your plant collection.